Hello students, in this lecture video, I'll be telling you that what happens when the egg is not fertilized. So till now we have discussed that in the female reproductive system, the fertilization takes place and then through this special tissue called as placenta and on the embryo side there are villi which will increase the absorptive area where the baby can absorb the nutrients from mother's body. So now, in case fertilization doesn't occur, then what happens? Every month, egg is produced in female's body through ovaries. So the uterus prepares itself for the fertilized egg. So lining of uterus, it becomes thick and spongy. It becomes full of blood vessels. It has rich supply of blood vessels so that it can provide the nutrition to the developing embryo. But if fertilization has not taken place, there is no need of these blood vessels. So, what is going to happen? This layer will slowly break down and it will come out in the form of mucus and blood. And it usually persists for 2 to 8 days. So, this is also called as menstruation or monthly cycle in females. Now, let us look at the reproductive health. Taking care of reproductive health, or you can say health overall, is very essential, especially during puberty, which is the teenage when all the organs are maturing. According to the reproductive health, it is taking care of our diet and having physical exercise so that during this maturation phase, all right, your all the body organs are mature in a proper way. So, awareness is very much required to avoid any disease that can be transmitted sexually, which are called as STDs or sexually transmitted disease, which can include bacterial infections like gonorrhea and syphilis, viral infections like warts, HIV, AIDS. Now, what are the methods which can avoid unnecessary pregnancies and also help in controlling population? There are many methods. One is the barrier method, where the sperm will not reach the egg, like condoms. Next is contraceptive acts, like hormonal balance can be maintained so that egg is not released and fertilization doesn't occur, like taking oral pills. Another is using contraceptive devices like copper T, which can be introduced inside the uterus, which will not allow the sperms to enter because copper is spermicidal in nature. It is going to kill the sperms. Next is surgical method, in which the pathway is blocked. Like in vas deferens, the for the males it is blocked so that sperm transfer doesn't take place. In females, the fallopian tube is blocked so that egg is not transferred. So this will help in any reducing chances of unwanted pregnancies and also help in controlling the population explosions. So the rates of birth and death in a given population can determine the size. So in order to maintain the size of population, these things are really important.